It may surprise you, but the humble baking soda in your pantry could be a hidden health powerhouse. Sure, you might use it for baking or cleaning, but its benefits extend far beyond those uses. Baking soda isn't just a household helper. It's been scientifically studied and used as a trusted remedy for generations. From easing common health discomforts to boosting physical performance, this simple powder can offer numerous benefits for your body, both inside and out. Let's dive into the amazing ways baking soda can positively impact your life. 1. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Heartburn and indigestion are common discomforts, but did you know that baking soda offers a fast and effective remedy? Heartburn happens when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, creating a burning sensation. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid that neutralizes this excess stomach acid. By adjusting the pH in your digestive system, it helps to make this acidic environment more manageable. Simply mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water, and it can help neutralize stomach acid to provide almost instant relief. However, it's essential to use baking soda only occasionally for this purpose. Overuse can disrupt your electrolyte balance and may lead to other issues like high sodium levels. Used responsibly, though, it's a safe and effective option for easing heartburn. 2. Improves teeth whitening and oral health. If you want brighter teeth or improved oral health without expensive treatments, baking soda might be a great solution. This simple powder is a powerful tool for dental care, and it's no myth. In fact, many kinds of toothpaste include baking soda as a core ingredient due to its proven ability to whiten teeth and clean effectively. It's also effective for bad breath. Some causes of bad breath are acid-producing bacteria, and since baking soda neutralizes acids, it can help freshen your breath at the source. Brushing a few times a week is enough to enjoy the benefits without harming your teeth. 3. Enhances exercise performance. Here's a benefit that may sound surprising. Baking soda can improve your workout performance. It's no replacement for a solid fitness routine and balanced diet, but it can give you an edge in endurance and reduce fatigue. This can be especially beneficial for athletes or anyone doing high-intensity exercises that lead to lactic acid buildup in muscles, which causes discomfort and limits performance. The science is straightforward. Baking soda is alkaline, and when ingested, it helps balance pH levels in your muscles. Studies suggest that consuming a small dose of baking soda before a workout can boost performance in high-intensity activities, such as sprinting or interval training. It can delay muscle soreness, allowing you to push harder for longer. If you're interested in trying this, start slowly. Most athletes mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water, consuming it 30 to 60 minutes before working out. Too much can lead to bloating or nausea. 4. Soothes skin irritations. Baking soda is not just beneficial internally, it's also great for soothing skin issues. Whether you're dealing with an insect bite, rash, or mild sunburn, baking soda can ease irritation and provide relief. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial qualities make it a versatile solution for various skin issues. For skincare, one of the best uses of baking soda is by making a paste. Simply mix it with water to create a thick consistency and apply it to the affected area. This paste is effective on insect bites, as it neutralizes the toxins that cause itching and swelling. It's also soothing for rashes or mild allergic reactions. 5. Supports kidney health. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and maintaining the body's electrolyte balance, and baking soda may support kidney health. For those with chronic kidney conditions, baking soda can be especially beneficial. Its primary role is helping to balance acid levels in the blood, which is crucial for proper kidney function. When kidneys are compromised, they lose the ability to efficiently remove acid from the body, potentially causing metabolic acidosis, a condition linked with fatigue, nausea, and other symptoms. As an alkaline substance, baking soda can help neutralize these excess acids, preventing metabolic acidosis from worsening. Research shows that baking soda supplementation may slow kidney disease progression, potentially delaying the need for dialysis. 6. Detoxification and skin cleansing. Your skin, the body's largest organ, plays a vital role in removing toxins. Baking soda can assist in this process, making it a valuable addition to your skincare and self-care routines. When added to a bath, baking soda can serve as a powerful detox aid. The skin absorbs its alkalinity, helping neutralize toxins and aiding the body's natural detox processes. Baking soda baths are said to relieve sore muscles, calm nerves, and leave you feeling rejuvenated after a long day. This detox method is simple, affordable, and holistic. 7. Balances body pH. One of baking soda's key health benefits is its ability to balance the body's pH, particularly by lowering acidity. Many common foods like processed meats, sugars, and caffeine contribute to an overly acidic internal environment, potentially causing inflammation, fatigue, and digestive issues. Taking small amounts of baking soda can help restore a balanced alkaline state in the body, which is important for overall health. The body functions best in a slightly alkaline state, around a pH of 7.4. When pH tilts too acidic, it creates an environment where illnesses and chronic diseases can thrive. Baking soda's natural alkalinity can help counteract this. 8. Natural deodorant. Did you know that baking soda can work as an effective natural deodorant? For those seeking a chemical-free way to stay fresh, this might be the answer. Many commercial deodorants contain harsh chemicals like aluminum, which raise health concerns, especially with long-term use. Baking soda offers a natural alternative, neutralizing odors without synthetic ingredients. It absorbs moisture and neutralizes acids and bases, the main causes of body odor. When you sweat, bacteria on your skin break down proteins in the sweat, producing an unpleasant odor. Baking soda doesn't just mask the smell, it neutralizes the acids that bacteria produce, stopping odor at its source. You can create a deodorant by mixing baking soda with water to form a paste, or by combining it with coconut oil for smoother application. 9. Manages gout symptoms. If you or someone close suffers from gout, you're aware of how painful and limiting it can be. Gout is a form of arthritis caused by high levels of uric acid in the blood, which crystallizes in the joints, causing pain, swelling, and inflammation. Baking soda can be a natural way to manage these symptoms by reducing body acidity and preventing uric acid crystals. Uric acid crystallizes more readily in an acidic environment, making pH balance important for gout sufferers. Baking soda, with its alkalinity, can neutralize excess acid in the blood, lowering the chance of crystal formation and easing gout symptoms. A simple remedy involves mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drinking it a few times daily. But it's essential to consult a healthcare provider, especially with chronic conditions. 10. Alleviates cold and flu symptoms. Baking soda can also be helpful during a cold or flu. It's known to alleviate symptoms like sore throats, congestion, or runny noses. Its alkaline properties help break down mucus and clear nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. A simple saline rinse with baking soda and water can flush out your sinuses, relieving pressure and stuffiness. Gargling with baking soda and water can also soothe a sore throat by neutralizing irritating acids. Its antibacterial properties may help reduce germs, offering relief and speeding recovery. For symptom relief, many mix baking soda with salt and warm water, creating a natural remedy for cold and flu discomforts. These are just 10 surprising ways this versatile household ingredient can enhance your wellness journey when used safely. Whether you're seeking natural relief from common ailments like heartburn or aiming to improve your fitness, oral health, or skincare, baking soda is an effective, affordable, and safe solution. So the next time you pick up that little box from your kitchen, remember, it's more than just a baking ingredient. It's a powerful partner in your quest for health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends or family who might benefit from these health tips. And make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future health and wellness content.